It's empty.
What up? Well, we didn't start filming till now, but we already started tearing the car apart. Things are moving slow. Sorry about that. I don't make money from this, so, you know, it takes time. Anyways, so we started by pulling off the hood. Intake's gone. It's just little things. This metal cowl that was back here's off. I took the AM lines off and all that stuff. Sitting safely over here. So we're getting there. We're just gonna start tearing it apart slowly. As for this stuff, we're not using this turbo anymore. We're using a Precision 5858. So I will be ordering that in the next week or two-ish. So I'm ordering that first because I know that's going to take the longest to get here because they have to build it and ceramic coat it and all that stuff. So yeah, in the meantime, we're going to test fit the manifold, make sure there's nothing too crazy wrong with it. It is a Chinese manifold from eBay, so we'll see how well it fits. But yeah, so we're just kind of getting started here. And then we're probably going to drop this subframe, and we got to pull the headers out.
Yeah, how the fuck are you supposed to get that screw on?
And then when we get the header off, we'll stop for the night. That's all I really want to do.
Fucking head. Sorry.
The header's like 8.
The headers?
And once there's no subframe, so it's easy. We do have to disconnect at the exhaust though. The exhaust.
It is indeed looking a little empty in there.
Yeah. Oh, there's a socket down here. I don't know why, but.
Nice. Cool, there's that. So what you taking apart down there?
Stuff that I wish I didn't have to.
Nice. Very nice.
Yeah, unfortunately. We didn't jack the car up high enough.
Yeah, it looks not so spacious down there. Not gonna lie.
This is misery.
Sucks to suck.
Yeah, indeed. So Daddy Dean here is marking the steering column so that when we put the subframe back in the car, eventually in the next couple months, we can line it all back up, everything's straight as a stripper pole, and I'm gonna tie I'm gonna tie the steering wheel to the headrest back here to keep it from moving. It's gonna be all sorts of janky, but it's gonna work, and that's what matters. So here we go. We're gonna thread this sucker. Alright. Come on, get in there. Sweet. We want as many points of contact as possible. I don't know if this is gonna be long enough though, so we're just gonna have to roll with it. Actually, that should be okay.
I mean, there you go. I guess that's one way to do it.
If it doesn't turn, he's good.
I'm just making it as tight as possible.
It's all good, dude.
And yeah, you see that? That's tight. God. All right.
Oh God.
All right.
Do this little number right here. Yeah, just like that. Eh? Does it move much?
And it's in. There you go.
Looks stupid as hell, but you know what? It's all right. Here. Thing I was scared. Oh, okay. All right.
Down he goes.
Now I'm just gonna start loosening the bolts. Subframe's pretty simple. It's not too bad. Only one I didn't think I have the right. Oh, I do have the right socket size. Cool. Let's see how tight this is. Ah, this thing doesn't help because it rolls. Dean, your creeper was a bad idea. Ah!
There it goes. Gotta love the leverage.
Just pulling myself. What?
Took the screw out of the steering
Okay.
column lock, so now the steering column is loose from the steering rack.
Nice.
I got it.
Got it?
Ben, I'm putting the steering rack bolt in your cup holder.
Yeah, okay, as long as you don't forget where it is. Like a month or two down the line when we actually go to put this thing back together.
Sheer mayhem in here. Dear God.
You might not have to take it all the way off. I know it's gonna come off of the hub assembly.
Yeah, like we'll take it off the hub, but then leave it attached to the stuff, so it's all one piece. Because we don't have that much space, so.
Yeah, it should be fine.
All right, well I got the first bolt loose and we'll start this thing.
Big guns over here. Nice scratch shot.
Tight, man.
Yeah? What you saying?
You're not the one that tightened them, I did.
Yeah, why are you complaining to me about it?
Because at least I can get mine off, Dean. I couldn't get yours off.
I got mine on.
So, how would we say it's going?
I mean, not bad, I guess.
Not bad. Nice.
I gotta do this side.
Just working on getting the subframe and suspension apart.
I got this side. It was still hard, but.
You aren't taking any of the bolts out of the subframe, right?
No, they're just loosened. Anya, there's a baggie over there. Can you put these nuts in there? Or bolts in there?
Mm-hmm.
The baggie has 4 nuts in it. It's the only one over there. Thank you. Man.
Why is this cotter pin giving issues?
Probably because it's a AutoZone cotter pin, if I had to guess.
I'm gonna have to cut all this footage because I'm having a spaz attack.
Yeah, it really is.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, now we're good to start.
Right now. I'm gonna start lowering. Alright. You put a hand over it.
Yeah.
I got another hand. Alright now.
Just hold it?
Yep. That's good.
Everything good?
Hang on. Light on this thing to see what's going on.
Is it not coming out?
It is. It's good. Alright,
We're good?
let me just get it going. Alright, hang on, it's stuck on the steering column. Oh, there we go. Now we're good. You should be loose now.
Yeah.
It scared me. The harness looked like it was getting caught on.
Jesus.
God, I hate that.
That thing is heavy.
Alright.
There it is.
Subframe is out. What are we gonna
Well,
do?
we gotta pull this. You're gonna bottom out with it.
Oh my God, the fucking steering rack is so heavy. Alright.
Yeah, hold it up. Hold it up.
Just
This ladder's gotta go in the other garage. This side down?
yeah.
Beautiful. Alright, well, we got a lot done. We just pulled out the subframe from what you just saw. So all of that is out. Car is now barren. We might pull off the header tonight, which wouldn't be that difficult, so I don't see why not. So we'll pull that out so I can sell it. It was custom fabricated so that it would fit a K24 block in the 8th gen chassis, but still allow the header to sit without doing anything ghetto like putting washers in the motor mount to make it fit, you know. So it was custom fab to do that. So if any of you guys want to buy it, hit your boy up. But we're gonna pull that out, and then that'll probably be the end of this video. The next one, we'll probably go ahead and mount the turbo manifold so we can see how it fits and everything. and also so I can get an idea of wastegate clearance, because we're not gonna be able to run this. It's 60 millimeters, it's too big. I know that from reading online that that's not gonna fit. So we're gonna go with a 44 mil tile. None of that stuff's been ordered yet. I gotta order all that stuff. I'm gonna start with the turbo, probably get ordered in like a week or two, because that's gonna take forever probably, because I gotta build it. So, but yeah, making a lot of progress tonight. We'll probably call it good here, but we're gonna take out a bunch of trash, everybody. So yeah, and then we still have to clean up and organize. We got everything labeled in baggies because we're ballers like that. So yeah, and I gotta get a new PCB hose. That's dirty. But yeah, next major thing, we gotta drop the transmission and stuff. That'll probably be its own video. But yeah, this is gonna be a couple month long process. So hopefully you guys are cool with that, because I'm not made of money or we do it all in one go. But yeah. Whew. Okay.
And out it comes.
Okay, it's just gonna fall. So, this is the header. I just pulled it out. Okay, so see these welds right here on the flange and then the runners. This is what was modified to make this fit with a K24. So they cut it, and then they essentially bend the runners this way away from the flange, and then they used filler, and then they welded that, and that makes this more of a deeper angle from the flange, if that makes sense. And then down here, to correct the issue on the other end, so that it still matches up with the exhaust system, they cut it here, angled it up more, re-welded it, and it looks like they did some more of that here for some final corrections. But yeah, so this is a one-off header. It's a Skunk 2 Mega Power RR. I should stop touching this fiberglass stuff before it gets in my hands. Anyway, so yeah, it's meant for a K20, but they modified it to fit with a K24. So I don't really even know how much to sell it for, really. But yeah, that was the last thing I really wanted to do tonight. So yeah, I think this is where we'll call it quits. So yeah, see you guys next time.